Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about Australia tourist visa from India. Like, what is the process? What is the validity? What are the documents required for Australia tourist visa? And the most important part, what is the pricing for Australia tourist visa if you want to apply from any part of India, whether you live in Delhi, Mumbai, Agra, Chennai, Gujarat, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and you want to travel Australia for tourism purpose or maybe for business purpose. So you want to know the full process, then this video is for you. Also, we always focus and emphasize more on the tourist visa first, then we can book your hotel flight package. That is the secondary part, but the most important part is your tourist visa status, because if you are not eligible for tourist visa, how you can book your flight hotel package that we can also book for you in the best price in the market. So guys, in this video I am going to give you the two important tips as well at the end of this video, which might help you for Australia tourist visa. But for that you have to watch full video, because those two tips are related to the full process of Australia tourist visa. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh. I am the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide exceptional services related to hotel, tour, visa, flight, everything. So guys, please do subscribe the channel, press the like button, and let's start the video. So guys, let's first talk about the processing time for Australia tourist visa from India if you want to apply. See, processing time for Australia tourist visa as per the official Australia embassy, it's more than 40-50 days. But what we have seen so far in past couple of months, that whatever tourist visas approval we are getting for Australia, mostly within 30 days we are getting the results. Whether it is approved or rejected, we will get to know within 30 days. Now when we talk about the validity, see, for Australia tourist visa, usually 99.99% you will get the 1 year validity for Australia tourist visa from India, and that is very good validity, because in Schengen countries like Germany, France, Italy, Switzerland, Norway, you are going to get like approximately 3 months, 2 months validity. But in Australia you are getting 1 year of validity for tourist visa. That is also very good, because you don't need to always apply a tourist visa, you don't need to worry for the approval and rejection, right? So this is very good thing. Now the duration of stay in Australia tourist visa is 30 days. Like 30 days you can stay there. As per the tourist visa eligibility, you can stay 30 days in Australia in one time. So you have to exit the country and come back, but you don't need to apply the tourist visa again, because you have the 1 year of validity. Now when we talk about the documentation part from India, we need your passport copy, Aadhaar card copy, PAN card copy, and these are the basic documents which I believe you all must have, because that is the basic requirement. Apart from that, we need your last 6-month bank statement and 3 years of ITR return, which we call income tax return, and NOC from the company. Now most of you always ask, sir, what is the NOC? So NOC means non-objection certificate. Okay, that is very important, and we will share you the format, so you don't need to worry about the format. We will share you the format. You just need to fill in the details, get the printout on your company letterhead, sign and stamp. That's it. So these are the documents required for Australia tourist visa if you are working somewhere. And if you have your own business in India, then instead of NOC, we need self-introduction letter. Format we will share with you, and your company GST certificate or MSME certificate. So guys, what happens when you send all these documents to us? So once you send all these documents, we have 3 layers of tunnels which we follow. First of all, your documents will go to our sales team. They will check each and everything, and they will update you. If there is something missing or something misplaced, then they will help you, they will guide you. After that, it goes to the typing team. So if you have visited our office, you must have seen that we have different teams in our office, like typing team, appointment team. Typing team will prepare all of your documents like cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance, everything. Then that file goes to on the final stage, which is the review and submission team. They will check each and everything briefly. They will check if typing team has done any kind of mistake or something is missing then, and after that they will submit your file. So this is the 3-layer process which we follow. That's why our visa approval ratio is one of the best in the market in Dubai, in India as well. Now let's talk about the pricing part. We just charge 18,500 rupees from India, in which the embassy fees also is included, our service charges also included. Means each and everything is included. You don't need to pay anything extra until unless you have all the documents with you. So this is the pricing process documentation of Australia tourist visa. Now let me give you the 3 complete tip which I was talking you in the beginning of this video. The number one tip for Australia tourist visa is you should have your complete documents with you, because some of you always think, okay, I don't have maybe like Aadhaar card, maybe PAN card I don't have, and let's submit the file. Sir, your visa will be rejected. The tip number 2 is your travel date mismatch. For example, in cover letter you are putting something different date, in itinerary you are putting different date, in hotel you have different date, flight different date. Sir, it's not gonna work. Why? Because your dates should match with each other, then only the file will be perfect. This is very small thing but everyone ignores. Third thing is your closing balance on your bank statement. So your closing balance in your bank statement should be sufficient enough to make sure that your journey to Australia should be covered in that kind of budget, because if you have low balance in your account, then visa officer will be confused, and if he's confused, your visa might be rejected. So you should have good closing balance in your account to support your journey in Australia, right? Because you will go there, you will pay your bills, and then everything is included, your accommodation, your flight, and your food and all, everything is included. So that is very important. So these are the 3 tips for Australia tourist visa. So guys, this was the video, and if you want to apply Australia tourist visa, the address is given below, number is given below. You can contact us, visit our office and apply Australia tourist visa with one of the best DMC of India as well as in UAE. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time,